Most dropshipping workflows still feel like scattered tools pretending to be one unified system. You build your store in one place, search products somewhere else, compare suppliers in another tab, then move into a separate flow just to handle pricing, titles, descriptions, and listing. Technically it works, but the process is fragmented, repetitive, and slow, and that is exactly why Doba Pilot stands out. What Doba Pilot is trying to do is not add one more tool to the stack. It is trying to replace the stack with one AI agent that handles the full workflow through conversation. The official positioning is very clear. This is an all-in-one AI agent designed to manage building, sourcing, and listing from a single chat, so the user can run the business by asking instead of manually navigating menus. The workflow in the demo starts from the simplest possible point: the homepage. Instead of a crowded dashboard, the interface opens with a chat-first layout and a Start Here, Your Quick Helpers section. That matters because it immediately frames the product around action, not configuration. In the brief, those quick helpers are meant to serve as guided entry points when creators want a clean demo path, including smart sourcing, store setup, and all-in-one commands. From there, the actual workflow is very direct. Instant Shopify and BigCommerce integration through AI prompts. Instead of manually opening store settings, generating tokens, and hopping between menus, the instruction is written naturally inside the chat. The AI then interprets the intent, confirms the request, and begins structuring the task. Officially, that is the core product difference. Doba Pilot acts as an active agent rather than a passive search tool, executing store building, sourcing, and listing based on intent. The next stage is product sourcing, and this is where the workflow becomes much more practical. Rather than scrolling through endless product grids, the AI generates a matching product set based on the request. This sourcing layer is called AI Picker, and it is designed to be logic-driven. The official example is, find 10 kitchen gadgets under $40 with at least a 25% profit margin. That tells you how the system is meant to work, not by browsing first, but by defining constraints and letting the AI filter for viable inventory. In the demo, the sourced items appear directly inside the chat flow, and a side panel shows the product selection list so the user can review what has been chosen. That review step is important. The system does not just throw products into a store automatically without visibility. You can see selected items, open details, and control what continues into the next stage. The brief explicitly calls out this control layer. Batch select products or click View Details directly within the chat. So even though the workflow is simplified, it still preserves oversight. That makes the experience feel more operational and less like a blind automation shortcut. After sourcing, the workflow moves into listing rules. This is one of the clearest sections in the demo because you can actually see the system preparing products for store publishing. The user reaches a Select Store and Set Profit to List step, chooses the destination store, and then configures pricing logic. Doba Pilot applies a default 1.2x profit rule, and that this can be customized through chat. In the demo, that pricing logic is surfaced visually through price and MSRP multiplier fields, along with shipping fee inclusion. So the AI is not only finding products, it is preparing them for listing with a margin structure already built in. Then comes one of the most useful workflow layers: AI optimization. At this point, the user can decide how the listing content should be handled. The official options are clear in the brief: keep original copy, optimize titles for SEO, or optimize descriptions for conversion. In the demo, those choices appear as selectable options before the listing task continues. That means the workflow does not stop at operational setup. It also includes the merchandising layer, where the AI improves product presentation before items go live. Once everything is confirmed, the flow moves into execution. This is where the product demonstrates its agent positioning most clearly. Instead of exporting data or handing off the next step to the user, Doba Pilot proceeds with the listing action itself. progression from store connection to AI sourcing to one-click listing. That exact progression defines the workflow value: setup, selection, pricing, optimization, execution. No tool switching, no broken handoff between steps. The end result in the demo is equally important. The task completes with a successful listing result and visible quota usage. According to the brief, 1 credit is consumed per major task, such as sourcing, setup, or listing, while casual chatting, browsing, quick helpers, and checking history are free. That structure makes the workflow easier to understand because actions are organized into clear task units rather than hidden background processes. So the real pitch here is simple. Doba Pilot takes a workflow that is normally split across store setup, sourcing, pricing, copywriting, and listing, then compresses it into one continuous AI-driven conversation. During the beta phase, Doba Plan subscribers get 200+ monthly AI credits, and the official call to action is to try it, give feedback, and lock in the early advantage while the product is still evolving.